What's up, everybody? My daughter and I out. O'Reilly's. Out to get a bucket and some other stuff for the car. You'll see. Stay tuned. You want those in the car? Uh-huh. Ooh, that would be good for me and Mom. Back support. Ooh. Knocked it down. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we need that too. You want that? You want that for the family car? Or you want that? Okay. Mm-hmm. Which one do you want? Dochi? Dochi desu ka? That one? Okay. We'll take it. What you saying, baby? Milisha, what you doing? Huh? What you doing over there? Milisha. Get the bucket. Where are you going? Get the bucket. That's what we need. That way we can wash the car later, okay? Oops. Come on. Who are you on the phone with? Uh-huh. Welcome to today's episode, everybody, where I will be installing a 3-piece universal front lip from Kaizen Motorsports. Icon, all that good stuff, or eBay as you guys call it. So I believe it's long enough for what I need. Hardware included is, of course, your ABS that's super durable. And then they will give you a little baggie right here with self-tapping screws, some nuts, and I think like 2 bolts to go ahead and hold in. I have some other hardware I'll be using. So I'll drill that to spec, and then they do give you 2 risers as well. These are basically to put a gap right here between the front bumper and the lip, which I'm not a big fan of, and I don't think I'll be running because I don't like that that look right there. So let's go ahead and get into it and show you what I want to do and what my thought process is of installing this. It's pretty much common sense like every other lip, but a lot easier since the self-tapping screws. Let's get into it. So for starters right now, how far I want the front lip to go out is probably about like right here. As you can see, it looks like it has like an overbite right now. I just want the front bumper and the lip to be about the same length out. That's all I'm looking for right here. As for these sides, I think they come up short. I'm not terribly worried about it. I might just run the center one, if anything, just to bring it out forward and leave the side ones there. I don't know. We'll see how it looks and how it bolts up. As you can see, I've got my encyclopedias already set to give me a quick mock-up of everything. So let's try that real quick. We have the encyclopedia set up. Let me go ahead and set this middle piece, find out where the middle is right here, where these dots are. Let's set that towards the middle of the car. Just gonna be over here, so let me move the books. I know it's kind of crooked and tilted. But for now, we'll put the T-square to the back of the car right here, put pressure straight down, and it should come out about this far right here. And then I'll add the side extensions on. So let me get this car jacked up, and then this will be my marker to make sure that T-square is square. There we go. That's as far as it needs to go. If you don't have helping hands, you just get some handy dandy clamps right here. Get these at Harbor Freight for cheap suits. I was under the car before this take right here, just seeing if I could line it up a little bit better. And there is actually a marker where the grill slots into that's centered along with this dot. So that would give me a lot easier time making sure it's centered before I adjust how far I need to go. So let's get this set up again. Let's get this length checked. That's about right. Okay. Width check. Can come over this way just a tad. Or there we go. Had to move it over. All right, we're looking good, guys. Let me take a look from the side from where I showed you guys as well. Make sure it looks good. Yes, it does. That's far. Not sure if I like it up that far. We shall see. Does it pass the eyeball test? Here we go. All right, let's start drilling. Now for the tough part, seeing if the winglet actually will fit and or connect to the main lip properly. Let's take a look. I didn't screw it all the way here. I just have it by a clamp. So I don't know if it goes on top or on bottom. Could do like the Supra right here. I don't know. Yeah, I might have to come up short on the edges. Ooh, I don't like that. That's a tough one. That is a tough one. Any sand in between this is just gonna tear up my paint. What to do, guys? What to do? I mean, it goes right there perfectly. I can probably fill this in. I think I got spares or something like that. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that here for now. So, do it a little bit. We'll do it a little bit off. This way, it won't, it can let air through. So here's what I've come up with. I'm gonna leave a little bit of a gap right there so it doesn't scratch at the paint and it directs airflow. And then just trying to get that right there. It looks kind of odd, but whatever, I might be able to push that back. Let's get the edge plate of this in and we'll be good. All right, so you can guys see how much it does not cover surface-wise on the end. I might get a secondary one to make up for that and just plastic weld it together. So this will do for now, unless I have extra plastic over here. which I do have. Let me see. I wonder. Probably plastic weld some of this in there. Interesting. Cut that, yeah. That's a project for a whole nother day though. And this actually lines up pretty good. It's from an RX-7 Sport, I believe it is. Yeah, that would work. Blend that into this. Oh, you got a beautiful piece of, yeah, okay. And that would, yes, this whole piece would integrate really, really nicely trimmed. I can use this as a base, but for now, just to see what it looks like other than stupid on the edges. All right, let's see, what do I have to attach to here? Not much. Always get a feel behind the bumper to see how much you have to drill into. I don't have much surface material here. New car problems. Using parts from new cars, yeah. Problems. Oh my gosh, option magazine, what is this? Not one ricer, but two. You can park right behind the, yeah, come on up, come on up. Careful, careful, oh my God. You gonna make it, you got it. Watch out for that tree. Oh my goodness, are we in California? Are we in Nevada? Where are we? Oh boy on the phone, but it's okay. Wash the cars, put the front lip on. We got the fried Doritos right here, FD3CS or something. What is it? Fried Doritos, 3 chips in the bags, the rest is air. Got the Rexus. For you guys that want to see the front lip splitter thing, there we go. Comes up short. Don't mind the headlight, we just did a wash. I gotta reseal it. Oh, it popped off on my tow hook. Oh, lighting's bad today. This dude ain't got no gas. He ain't got no gas. Where's my hazard lights out so we can get going? All right, let's get going, guys. Got my little panda buddy with me. Knuckles and Sonic. Let's do it. Blinkers. Safety, folks, safety. Homeboy just started, but we ain't gonna say nothing. I thought he ran out of gas. Where you going? I gotta come close to you or what? It's okay, I can move. There we go. Let's get you some solo Top Gun shots. What's up? Yeah, let's get some solos for you first. See, when you guys make car friends like this, you actually get to hang out and do car stuff with airplanes that we don't own. Because, actually, no, we're paying these airplanes off, right? Yeah, they're just sitting here. So, y'all invest in Bitcoin, we invest in airplanes. We train the pilots here at Sierra Shrek. You gonna hit them bumps.